What are we doing?
Okay, so today we've decided to pull something out of the random box and we're gonna go to the beach. So it's gonna be Party at the Beach Day for Memorial Day. Woo!
I was picked up and then dropped off in a culture counterclockwise turned around. Down the hall in Southern Carolina, took me straight to China, safe and sound. Donated my map to the lost and found. Well, working for recovery 'cause I only got it covered 'cause he's dead in mine.
This is Chris. Hi, Chris. Nope. Hey, Sean. And there's Sean.
I do this for the community, man. I've been so much vodka in the community.
Yay for community!
Yeah.
You get down it.
You need me, call me, no matter where you are, no matter how far. Just call my name, I'll be there in a hurry. You don't have to worry, 'cause baby there ain't no mountain high enough, ain't no valley low enough, ain't no river wide enough to keep me from getting to you, baby.
I do a little documentary on Corey's camera of myself. This is Ocean Beach, 2007. What's the month? It's May. It's May. May 28th.
Oh, you have my keys. You have my keys.
There goes.
So I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 fingers up on the direct line. The record keeps spinning off the track, but the same song keeps playing back. She lights a black to smoke in the bath. I bust a wheels again, I bust it, a clickety clack, a ring ring, a hello operator. Give me what I need, you know what I feel. Flavor. The doctor calls me out tonight, but I hope the stars don't put up a fight. So you pick up the phone.
And while these campers trying to get the fire going, these two sit and have a beer.
He rolled up a cigarette. Jaw bent and his step was shifty. Mood swing like March when the wind sways the day.
So what just happened was the park ranger came out and told every person who had a bonfire that we needed to separate the logs and put it out because there's only designated areas on the beach. We were lucky enough that we got one. The people who had that bonfire just left and they were really kind and willing to lend us their fire. So we swooped up on that and now we're rock stars.
So we're relocating
So
now.
we're relocating.
Yeah.
I like it when you call my name over the phone, harmonizing on the dial tone. 6516112 ain't my number but my area code.